like and subscribe if you enjoy this video. Bye-bye.
This video will only make sense if you watch my other channel, which I can't do anymore. It's called Just Cake Eating. The reason I can't do it is because the camera, when I was recording in the water, because it's an iPhone 7, it got waterlogged. I thought it was waterproof. I'm stupid, I know. So I lost all my material that I could have put on, and I also lost my channel. So it's still there. Just if you want, if this is Payphone 2, I don't have Payphone 1 because that's on my other channel. I'm gonna try desperately try to get some of my videos back that I had on Just Cake Eating, and I'm also gonna re-upload them. So if you're wondering, I'm gonna re-upload my Just Cake Eating videos on this channel, and it's pretty good.
Music, music, music. I like your music, music. Ring. Thank you, Mr. Hand.
Hey, where were ya?
Oh, hi, Keith. I
What,
didn't.
about a year ago? Remember that?
I really didn't come because I had chicken pox.
You had chicken pox.
Da-da-da-da-dee.
You had chicken pox. Will you come this year?
Okay, yeah, I'll come. I guess. I'm sad. I don't want to come. I have a life to live.
You have a life to live.
Okay, bye.
Perfect. You hung up on me. Well, you're already on my channel, so might as well just, check out the first video if you didn't see it. My first video, it's a year old. 1 year. This is my anniversary. Yeah. So, my anniversary was yesterday or the day. I'm not sure because I'm recording this before I uploaded it. So, it's someday. It's not the day because today is the day and it's almost over. So, yeah. The 29th is the 1 year anniversary, which, yeah. It's a year old, so just keep in mind I'm recording it on the year, okay? Just keep that in mind, okay? Peace.